this clip, we're going to talk about the final assembly of some components on our ball joint. What we have yet to install is our grease boot. In our hardware kit, which comes with our new ball joint, is a snap ring and a grease fitting, which is going to screw down in top. I'm going to do the grease fitting first. I'm going to start it right there. Screw it down by hand. I'm going to use a small pair of pliers to go ahead and snug it up. You're going to want to face your grease zert in a location where you'll be able to access it without removing the tire. As you can see, I have it pointed straight back. When you have your vehicle serviced for the oil change, you'll be able to get access to your zert easy, which gives it a better chance of them actually doing it. I'm going to take and install my snap ring now. The snap ring here. My needle nose pliers. Take an insert into the eyes on my snap ring. Just like so. Before I load this snap ring, I'm going to slip on my safety glasses. Take and expand it. And seat it in its spot. Right there. If you want to, you can take and tap your snap ring and make sure that it's seated, just like so. From there, we're going to slip our grease boot onto our ball joint. Just like so. That's the proper way to install your snap ring, your grease zert, and your grease boot.